Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi 13. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And if you open the box here, you will find another white box here, and you have to remove the complete white box because on the back you will find finally then the SIM ejection tool, a bit hidden. So just release it here at the wings. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray, and under the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray is able to insert next to the main SIM card, also optional a second SIM card if you want, or a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it like this here. It's pretty tiny. Please take care. Nothing jumps out. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner here at the SIM tray. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM card. And the contacts, they are below. Okay. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. This is optional. You need to place it like this here on that position. As I said, take care that nothing jumps out, and this is how it should look like then. So there's also a missing corner here on the SIM tray for the second SIM, and it belongs to the missing corner of the SIM card. It only fits like that, and the contacts, they are below as well. In case, if you want to extend the internal storage with a micro SD card, you need to decide between a second SIM card or a micro SD card, so you can't insert both at the same time. Okay, if you want to have a micro SD card, it should look like that then. So also here as well, it only fits like that, and the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you're ready with your construction, just put it back into the SIM slot. Be carefully that nothing jumps out, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.